help me welcome the Managing Director of Ghana Post, Mr. Bryce Osei-Kufuor, aka Obour.
Your Royal Majesty Opemsuo II, King of the Great Asante Kingdom, Chairman of the Silver Jubilee Planning Committee, other Asantehene in this auditorium, my beautiful Minister of Communications and Digitalization, the Honorable Esla Owusu Ekufu, the Minister of Education, Honorable Yawase Duchum. I almost forget my mommy. The beautiful Lady Julia, Her Royal Highness, board members of Ghana Post, the members of the Postal and Courier Regulation Commission, my regulators, CEOs present, all protocol observed. Nananom, today, being Saturday, the 4th of May, will go down in history as a very important and historic day in the annals of the Republic of Ghana and also in the annals of Ghana Post as we make history together with the Universal Postal Union, especially the Consultative Committee, who have partnered us on this historic project. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, today, we will be unveiling the Silver Jubilee Anniversary stamps of Opemsuo II. I am exceedingly happy that this historic event is happening at a period that I am the Managing Director of Ghana Post, offering me the opportunity to bring my hardworking team to be part of this momentous occasion. I would like wholeheartedly to sincerely thank God for making this day possible and making me such a lucky Managing Director. I would like to also thank my Honorable Minister who have been showing leadership throughout this entire project. Your Royal Highness, Your Majesty, almost everybody who is here today came on the invitation of my minister. Honorable Minister, thank you for the invitations. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Your Royal Majesty Opemsuo II, this 25th anniversary caught the attention of Ghana Post last year when the Stamp Advisory Board of Ghana Post came up with the idea that we should honor our great king with a stamp on his 25th anniversary. And the board, under the able leadership of Mr. George Afisi Hayford, endorsed it. And since then, we have had no sleep, but we've been working tirelessly on making this day possible. And we thank God that today has finally come. We took immediate steps to contact the Global Postal Services Umbrella, the Universal Postal Union, where they made us work closely with the Consultative Committee, who are represented today in our midst by Mr. Michael Donner. Mr. Michael Donner, if you're in the audience, please stand up, let's acknowledge you. Mr. Michael Donner, representative of the Universal Postal Union from the Consultative Committee. This Asantehene 25th International Commemorative Stamp reflects the status of global legendary status of our great king, Opemsuo II. Tonight, we'll be unveiling 5 different stamps, as the documentary said. We'll be unveiling a definitive stamp, which is meant for postage. We'll also be unveiling the crypto stamp, the almighty crypto stamp, which is a collector's item that can be traded as an NFT on the international crypto market and the international NFT stamp market. And this is the first time this is happening in Africa. Your Royal Majesty, tonight we would also be having a VIP stamp collection with authentication as a limited collector's item. We'd also be having the Royal Stamp Frame, which is a frame that would have 20 grams of gold installed in the frame. Your Royal Majesty would also be unveiling 12 different postcards, which will be sold in sets for people to acquire. I wish to thank the board of Ghana Post for your strength and support throughout the period. The Union of Ghana Post, very, very supportive in this agenda. When we decided to go on this journey, they were with us. The entire management of Ghana Post, they are also here. My regional heads are here. I'd like to acknowledge all the regional heads of Ghana Post. This is a big deal for Ghana Post. And so all our GMs, all our regional heads are all here because we know that today we are putting Ghana Post also into the annals of history. Your Royal Majesty, I wish to also appreciate the members of the Silver Jubilee Planning Committee. They worked with us, countless meetings, back and forth on the designs, the pictures, until we were clear that these were images of Yewura that the world must see and tell. Your Royal Highness, Your Majesty, I cannot leave this podium without saying thank you to GCB Bank, also to Goel Ghana, and to Ghana Gas under the able leadership of Ben Asante. I didn't have to talk much. I just told them that this is the project we are doing as Ghana Post, and we can't do this on our own. We need support. And these three companies willingly said, we would support you. What you are doing is for our kin, and so we will be there to support you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Your Royal Highness, Your Majesty, tonight we have platinum guests who will later be acknowledged, and we also have royal guests of the great king of the great Asante Kingdom in the great country, Ghana. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let's have a wonderful evening. God bless us all. Thank you very much.